Welcome back friends. I believe everybody is in good health. We do take life insurance policy or other insurance policy during our life, but we never go through the policy document. It is very important for all of us to go through the policy document and understand the various terms which are explained in the policy document to get the maximum benefit of the policy. Generally, the policy document terms are written in the complex legal language, which may or may not be understandable by common man. The purpose of this as well as my next 6 to 7 videos is to make those terms simplified and helpful to you so that you can understand your policy document completely and take the maximum benefit out of it. So let's know friends. Friends, in today's video we'll understand these terms. What is premium? What is policy year? What is policy term? And what are different premium paying term, which includes number 1 regular premium payment or policy term premium payment, number 2 limited premium payment term, number 3 single premium payment term. So friends, premium means the amount which is payable by you to the insurance company every policy year by the due date during the premium payment term. तो जो आपने पैसा ड्यूरिंग द पॉलिसी टर्म इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को देना है उसे प्रीमियम कहते हैं. पॉलिसी ईयर मींस द पीरियड ऑफ 12 मंथ स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ कमेंसमेंट ऑफ पॉलिसी. जिस डेट को आपकी इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी स्टार्ट हो रही है उस पीरियड से, उस डेट से अगले 12 महीने का जो पीरियड होता है उसे पॉलिसी ईयर कहा जाता है. नाउ व्हाट इज पॉलिसी टर्म? लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस विद द चार्ट. पॉलिसी मिस्टर ए took a policy on 1st January 2010 with a policy term of 20 years. So in this case, policy term, what is policy term? Policy term is the term of the policy or the maximum period in which for which the policy can remain in force and is mentioned on your policy schedule. So this is basically the period between the policy commencement date and the policy maturity date. So in this you can understand, in this example the policy term is 20 years, which is starting from 1st January 2010 to 31st December 2030. Now what is premium paying term? Premium paying term means the period or the number of years that premium is payable for the policy and is mentioned in the schedule. So your premium paying term could be regular premium payment term or policy term premium payment term. In this case, your premium payment term will be equivalent to your policy term. So in this given example, as the policy term is 20 years and in case of regular premium payment term, the premium payment term will also be 20 years. Now what is limited premium payment term? So this is a premium payment term where you chose to pay the premium for a selected year. For example, in the given case, if where the policy term is 20 years and the policyholder decide to pay the premium in 15 years, so it will be called as a limited premium payment term. So in this case, the premium payment term will start from 1st January 2010 and it will end on 31st December 2025. Now there is another premium payment option which is called single premium payment term. In this case, you pay all the premium in one go. So the whole premium amount will be paid on 1st January 2010. In our next video friends, we'll understand these terms: single premium payment frequency, policy anniversary date, maturity date, date of commencement of policy and date of commencement of risk. Thank you for watching this video friends. I believe the information shared in this video is useful to you and you will not forget to see my coming 6 to 7 videos on the insurance terms. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till date. And please share your comments, share your feedback by liking the video and by putting your compliment in the comment section. Thank you very much friends.